Howdy folks, and welcome to Coffee and Tools. And this will not have an episode number, it will just be a draw and just some announcement. The reason is by contract I can't release the new machine video until tomorrow. It's first time it's been reviewed in the US of A with the specifics, the specs that it has. So we've been working for 3 days on it, getting it ready, and it'll be released tomorrow. I hope some of you guys will look in on it and just check and see what's all about. It was a lot of work. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna draw for the Grabber Pro. I knew the box was here somewhere. The Grabber Pro. This was a popular item. Monday we'll try to get back to our regular schedules, or at least we're going to try to get back to more of a regular schedule with review the tools and give the tools away. What's happened is I have several companies now that are shipping tools, and these shipments are held up. Some of them are coming from overseas and they're in La La Land someplace, so the tools aren't here. So it's like we're sort of getting a little bit more and more backed up. And then, like I said, tomorrow is something I'm doing. It's by contract, and I actually have 2 contracts with that company. So I will be doing another show about something else with them later in the month, but it's a show I already had planned. So it's really funny that they asked, and I said, well, as a matter of fact, we already have that planned out, that we're going to be doing it in August anyway. So it's like, okay, good. Meantime, let's find out who's got a Grabber Pro, and just for the fun of it, let's do a booby prize again. I'm going to send somebody some of those nice tweezers that help to get those slivers out of your hands. There'll be links in the description below for the Grabber Pro and for the for the tweezers, because you really should. If you have a wood shop or something, you should have those around anyways. Just keep them in your toolbox or whatever, and that way, when you get the problem, you'll be able to solve it. Let's get the Grabber Pro. Now, we had huge response, so yeah, it's well over 200 plus some odd tickets, and a number of names I didn't see in there this time, so I'm surprised. We had a lot of new names and not so many of the old names, but we'll mix all the tickets up. I thought about trying to figure out another way to save paper around here and do this some other way would be more efficient, but I want everybody to have the best possible chance, just random, of getting a name and pulling it from the bucket or something, and that way, there's just absolutely no control over, who gets it. If somebody gets it. So there's a ticket. Let's see what we got here. Oh no. Oh, it had to be. All right, Ken, you're in Cleveland, Texas. I guess I'm sending you a Grabber Pro, man. I hope you like it. God, Ken is already, I'm pretty sure already got something from us, but yeah, Ken, you're into a Grabber Pro. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Because I know you so well, and you know me, I'll have that sent over to you directly from Amazon. Yeah, I'm serious. Yeah, and now let's do a booby prize. So, we got to get this stuff out of here. Who's getting this one? All right, who's got the booby prize? Garnet, you're in Vancouver, Washington. I think I've seen that name too, but anyway, you got a booby prize this week. Congratulations. Unfortunately, that's the way we're going to do it. And let's see if I still have it. Like I said, I always keep it right here in my drawer. Yep, there it is. That's Mr. Tweezers. So you'll get a Mr. Tweezers in the mail from me. Okay, or from Amazon, I think. I'll probably call Amazon and have that shipped over to you. It's just easier sometimes. Wow, what a week. It's been a really strained week. From Monday on through, it's over 100 degrees in here, even right now. And I've been working, like I said, for 3 days to review the machine. And it's really, the machine's great, everything's fine. It's the software is third-party stuff, and it's the software that just, just drives you crazy. Guys, girls, keep you short here. Thank you for watching Coffee and Tools. Please like, share, and subscribe, and ring the notice bell. But I'd like a comment on that. From the way I've heard, YouTube keeps changing the algorithm and everything. I've even heard the notice bell thing isn't even working anymore, so you don't get notified when new videos are released. So if anybody knows anything about that, I'd love to hear from you. And other than that, over and out. What a different film today, huh? Yeah, that was, boom, that was it. can go back to watching TV now. Go on, go, go. Yep, yep, we're done.